Hey everybody, welcome. I am really excited to share the brand new released Adobe Express Beta. This is an absolute game changer. If you love the Adobe Express app before, you're going to absolutely adore it now, and there's some major changes that have come your way. The first main change is when you log into this new beta, which is available to the public today in June, you can access all sorts of the items off the new interface. It looks a little different, but your favorite things are going to be there and then some. We now sort the different types of projects you want to create. So one of my favorite ones are the new video. Please check out the video timeline tutorial that I've given on my YouTube channel. We can create by photo, marketing, graphics, and one of my favorite additions is the addition of text to image and text effects from Adobe Firefly. Again, absolutely game changer. Anything you can imagine now can be infused in any type of graphic you wish to create in Adobe Express. We still have tried and true things like the start button where we can search for different graphics. We have the your stuff, which all the projects that you create here in the beta version will be available. If you still want to access your old projects, you can click that there. We can create brands and continue to build off our brands. We can even schedule our social media posts. Creating has never been easier, and now if you have access to Adobe Creative Cloud, you can do that. We can even go and create layered PDF, PSD, and AI files. Yes, you heard that right. If you create something in Photoshop, Illustrator, or PDF, you can simply import that content and the layers will be there in Adobe Express. This is amazing. And on top of that, if you change it in Photoshop, it will update your Express file because it's a linked file. Again, an absolute game changer. I love the Adobe Express community, and I can't wait to see what all of you create with this brand new version of Adobe Express Beta. You can sign up now at express.adobe.com. Look forward to seeing what you create.